For this challenge, I chose 3 articles that were relating to my topic. I did children disappearance of a family member, formation and evolution of early intervention of children with developmental problems, and child's needs for a healthy development. So, to add a PDF onto Mendeley, you go to Add, Import Document, and then you go through your files after you've already saved it to your drive, and then my notes for this on this side, my notes on this side, and also there. So, here are my highlights for my first PDF, and then here my second, and then also my third. So, there you go.